Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the blurred diamond zoom transitions for your videos in Capcut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit, and then the first step is click on the transition box, select on the blur category, and here choose the bar blur, this one. Adjust it for 0.5 seconds, then click on a check icon. Now go to the video effect, opening and closing, and select the diamond zoom effect. Okay, so adjust it so that the effect start after the blur like this. Okay, now click on the effect object and choose all videos. Okay, now add keyframe at the start, then set the size and also intensity to 100. Click on the check icon. Now go to the end of the effect and add another keyframe, and here set the size and intensity to 0. Okay, now click on a second clip and then go to speed curve, select the flash in, and then adjust it like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. And here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to click thanks, comment, subscribe, and click on the thumbs up. Bye.